Hello beauties, welcome back to another pink video. If you're new here, hello. My name is Fabiola. I love creating all kinds of pink, beauty, fashion, and decor kind of videos. If you like any of that, consider subscribing. Also follow me on my Instagram, FABIOLAGOFFICIAL. Today we're going to be decorating for Valentine's. I love the Valentine's decor. I do have some decor pieces that I've gotten over the past few years, but I also did a little bit of shopping and I got a few new pieces. I like to do that once in a while, just get like new pieces to add to my collection to switch it up a little bit. So we're going to be decorating for Valentine's season, and I also have a very special unboxing. So if you want to see more, just keep on watching. So today's special unboxing is from my bestest friend, Janine. If you have been following me here on YouTube, I'm sure you've probably heard me talk about her. Her name is Janine from JJ's Pink Secrets, and she's super sweet. We're always sending each other little gifts here and there. Just truly blessed to have the most incredible friend like her. So thank you so much, bestie. I did open the box and I did take a very quick peek just on the top, but I haven't really gone much into detail because I wanted to do like a true unboxing so you can see how adorable everything is and how beautiful she packaged everything. Here's a quick little peek. We're gonna get started because I am dying to see what my bestie sent me. The first thing in here are these beautiful socks. There is all these beautiful colors. So there are 5 pairs and there are these here with the teddy bears. She put some cute stickers in there. There's also some Hershey Kisses. Ooh, these are so pretty. They have like all these like little floral designs, patterns on them. They're giving me like Love Shack fancy vibes. There's also this one here that is packaged so incredibly cute. Take a look at this. There's like a Bratz doll in there. Oh my gosh, I don't even want to open this. This is so pretty. Let's see what's in here. I see something with bows and it's pink. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. It's a tank top and it's light pink, like baby pink. And then it has these darker pink bows. I am obsessed with this. This is gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to wear this. Oh my goodness, I am hanging this on my bag like today. Take a look at this beauty. It's like a little fuzzy tote bag. It's a little keychain. It has a bow in there. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And you can put stuff inside. Next in here, we have some Party Puffs cotton candy. Love these. Look how cute that is. Ooh, this is so pretty. I remember she was telling me about this. They're like little stackable teddy bears. They're highlighters. Take a look at that. I am a preschool teacher, so anything stationery related or pens and markers, I adore. And this is literally the cutest highlighter set I've ever seen. She sent me a Charlotte Tilbury makeup. This one is the Airbrush Flawless Finish Complexion Smoothing Micro Powder. Let me open this. Wow, the packaging. Look at this beauty. That's one thing about Charlotte Tilbury, like all their packaging is to die for. It's so luxurious, so pretty. Oh, this is like perfect. It's literally just like my skin tone. I've never tried this one before. I am dying to try it out. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for this. She sent me a lip gloss, also from Charlotte Tilbury. This one is the Big Lip Plump Gasm. It's a supersize, a maximizer, so it plumps your lips. I've heard of these before, and I'm so excited. It feels so luxurious. It's like very heavy. Oh, this is so beautiful. It's like a clear gloss, but it has a little bit of gold. You know what? I'm going to put some of this on right now, because I do have a lipstick, but it doesn't have like a gloss over it. And I want to put it on just because this color is gorgeous. Look how glossy this looks. And it's not sticky. I am obsessed with this. Thank you so much, bestie. This is definitely going to be one of my favorite glosses. It is gorgeous. a lip liner. It's also from Charlotte Tilbury. It's in the shade Love Trap. This is such a popular color, by the way. It is the most perfect brown nude tone. Look how pretty that is. Glitter Drink Bombs, Strawberry Cotton Candy. I am so going to use this. These are so cute. I didn't even know there was such thing like this. This is so cute. And she even put here, to Fabiola from your bestie Janine. There's also this super cute package that is wrapped so cute with little gems in here. I'm telling you, my bestie is the best, and she's always like so creative, and she really is like the sweetest. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. It has like a magnet so you can like put it on your fridge and you can take notes down and have like little notes in here. And girl, how did you know I need this? I'm always writing everything on notes. So this is perfect and it is absolutely adorable. Look how cute this is. There's also some lashes. Ooh, these look so pretty. They're very like fluffy and long, just the way I love my lashes. Oh my gosh, she did tell me about this and I'm so excited to open this. I did not know Ulta had these. It is the mini brand Pops. It's like a blind box. This is incredibly cute. So there's a total of 8 and you can get any of these in here. So we are going to open it right now because I want to see which one I ended up getting. This is so much fun. Blind boxes are so fun. Okay, I'm going to close my eyes. You guys get to see it first. Oh, I got this one. Oh my gosh, I got the pink one. How cute. And it's holding a little perfume bottle. So pretty. Okay, this is the cutest thing ever. There is this in here. Again, it's packaged so incredibly cute, so girly with laces and ribbons and all. Look how cute this is. It's a mini spoon rest. Bestie, how did you know I needed one of these? Oh my gosh, I had one. Well, I have one for Christmas, but of course I put it away because Christmas is over. So I don't have one and I'm just literally using like a regular dish plate. This is the cutest. It's so cute and so coquette. I have one that I can keep year long. There's another one in here. Again, packaged incredibly cute. And this is so pretty. It's a picture frame. I've been so much into this kind of like design and this is just so pretty. I love it. Oh, is this a lipstick? It's a lipstick. It's from the Pillow Talk collection, Charlotte Tilbury. Wow, this must be a new shade. It's the Pillow Talk Fair. Look how beautiful this is. This is the most perfect light shade of pink. It is beautiful. This is literally like an everyday lipstick. Wow. Look at the shade. It's gorgeous. This one with the lip liner is going to look incredible. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. There's also some candy. These are Sour Punch Cupid straws. The last thing in here looks like it's a pajama set. And it's in this gorgeous shade of baby blue. See, we don't just like pink. We also like other colors. Look how cute it is with all the teddy bears in there. Absolutely beautiful. And it comes with a top to go with it. It's a matching top. I can't wait to wear this. Thank you so much, Bestie. Those were all the incredible goodies that my bestie sent out to me for Valentine's. I am truly so grateful and so blessed to have such an amazing friend like her. And I will be forever grateful with all the cute things she sent out. I can't wait for you to get your box, Bestie, and hear all about it. So let's go ahead and get started with the Valentine's decor video, and that way I can show you how I decorated for this Valentine's season. So I brought up some of the decor pieces that I had stored downstairs in the basement, and then I also have some newer pieces. I don't have too much, but the things that I have are some of my favorite Valentine's decor pieces that I've had for years. For example, this little trinket box right here I've had for probably about 5 years, and I love it. It's from Rae Dunn. It says hella pretty, and it's shaped as a heart. It is a trinket little box, so you can put stuff inside. I'm always super careful with this because when it came out, it was so popular. Everybody was going crazy about them. I also have this piece here that I got last year, and I love it. I don't know if the camera's picking up the color, but it is like a light shade of pink, and then it goes eventually to darker shades. So it's almost kind of like an ombre color, and then it has little pearl details around it. Love those kind of signs. This one here, I actually got this from, I believe it was my dad. My dad got this for me, and I love it. It's supposed to be like Christmassy decor, but honestly, this is also perfect for Valentine's. So I do bring it out during the Valentine's season because it's so pink and so pretty and very, very soft. Here I have another piece. It says love, and it has all these different textures. I thought it was really pretty, and I just love that it has like the gold with the rose gold. Okay, this one here, OMG, this is my favorite one. This one I recently got. I got this at Home Goods, and I just can't get over how adorable this candle is. I actually picked this up back in December when they were just starting to bring out the Valentine's decor. There was only one, and I fell in love with it, so I grabbed it right away. But I thought it was the most adorable candle ever. It's so, so pretty. This one's also a newer piece. It says hugs and kisses, Valentine's wishes. It's just like a Valentine's decor. Honestly, I think I got this at either the dollar store or Target. Oh my gosh, I can't remember where I got it, but it's so pretty. So I'll definitely be putting that out. And then of course, my iconic Valentine's heart tree with macaroons. So, so pretty. I had 2 of these. Sadly, one broke last year. I was devastated because it took me forever to find this, but I only have one left, so I'll definitely be putting that out for my Valentine's decor.
I've always admired those who just do it, and they conquered their fears. They fall back